Raj. I am studying 4th standard.
My name is Joinder. I am studying 4th A. The name of the project is Advanced Fire Alert System. Fire alert system for homes and apartments. The aim of this project is to detect any accidental fire in homes, schools, apartments and offices. It is a fire alarm system that alerts the people when the fire has started. This system works by the principle of sensor. When each source is detected by the sensor, it produces a alarming sound so as to safeguard ourselves and our belongings. Thank you.